May profits be upon you. We're taking a look at Euro Swiss, right? Euro Swiss franc. We're going to do an update, man. It's time for an update. Remember this. I don't have an echo in here. That was just me. All right, hold on. Listen to this.
High impact news coming, you'll see the opposite happening up until the news, and then the expected rally or drop.
Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Just take a look at that video. I'll leave it on the screen, on the end screen. When I at the end of the video, I'll leave it on the screen for you to check out that analysis, because it's still happening, folks. The first part, just like the video I put out just before this one for CAD, was it CAD yen? I believe it was CAD yen. Was it CAD yen? No, CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss. I'm sorry. With CAD Swiss, the same deal with Euro Swiss. The same deal. All right. Price was here. Let me see. Let me make sure I got this right. All right. This is the 24th. All right, the 24th. Here's the 25th. All right, price came all the way up. That's the first part. All right, hit our POI, and it looks like it's heading down. Right. I told you that price was gonna likely to move in the opposite direction of where it's going to go when the news comes. This was a nice little rally here for about 50 to 60 pips. I'm hoping that somebody caught that, because what happens here is we broke a demand zone. All right, we broke through the demand zone, and where we're going to be laying in wait. As soon as it breaks and closes below this zone, where am I going? I'm going up here. I'm marking this zone, this supply zone, because I believe that there's a good chance that price is going to come up there, and that's exactly what it did. Now, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for this target to be hit right here. Understand something. We are already in a zone of a demand zone, a weekly demand zone, and if price takes out this area here, I mean, we are taking out sell side liquidity, first of all, but we are eating through the weekly demand zone. That's what I want to point out. All right. But there is a draw to price down here. All right. This was the lower low. We pulled back for a lower high. We didn't break that high. We pulled back for a lower high. And it looks like we're about to accomplish that. We haven't broken this yet. So we don't have, this isn't a lower high just yet. All right. If price continues up, what does that make this? Just some structure. All right. So we have to break this low for that lower high to happen. You understand? I mean, for the lower low to happen. Lower lows are only made by lower highs. You got it? So we got the first part done. Let's see what happens with this second part. All right. And now I just want you to understand that it's already moving in that direction. Here's the deal though. Is it time for it? We're early, just like I was thinking with CAD Swiss. All right. I'm thinking that there is the possibility that price wants to go higher for a deeper pullback. All right. And we may take out the buy side liquidity up here. All right. There's the potential for that happening, because there is a structure point up here that price could definitely go up and go get filling a fair value gap here. All right. We could definitely go up here and come get this. So I want you to be careful. Now, I'm going to start my zone here. All right. I'm going to start my zone here. Some people don't mark it that way. I do, because I've seen price reject right from the start of the zone, right at these breakers. All right. So this is something I'm going to be watching for. All right. This is the manipulation. We range here. Price goes up, respects that high, sweeps this buy side liquidity, and then the news comes out. We get this action, all right, where we break market structure there, and then price comes all the way down and hits this target. Why would it come down? Because the Swiss is going to gain strength. All right. It's a safe haven asset. That's if the news comes in where you see the numbers will be positive for the actual USD currency, but probably very negative for the economy. All right. I won't go into explaining all that right now. Just refer to the video. I'm going to leave it up on your screen for you to just click on. But what we're looking for here is the possibility here that price could come down, all right, and sweep the sell side, and we hit our target. The other possibility, because it's so early in the week, it's Monday, the numbers don't start coming out. The numbers don't come till Wednesday or Thursday, so we got 2 days. And I would think the banks would want to position for a bigger discount to take to the downside, a deeper retracement, if you will. Why did I just do that? Come on, thank you. All right. So that's what we're looking out for. I'm going to put an arrow here just in case it comes up here, but I'm hoping that those who are in shorts now, be careful. Manage your trade. Manage it with your stop loss and everything, because there's the possibility that we could go higher. Because we didn't take that low on this trip down, that's kind of indicating to me, hinting that price may want to go up before the news and then come back down. So we'll see. We'll see. If it comes down and takes that low and sweeps this liquidity, well, mission accomplished from here. I think this is a valid sell, but I'm letting you know that this is the higher probability trade. Okay. I will see you in the next video. Check out the analysis that I put out for CAD Swiss. I'm gonna leave it on your screen right now, and trade safely. Manage that trade now. If you're in shorts right now, manage your trade.